Going back in time, India last year saw one of the worst cases of ceasefire violations in a decade, where 25 Indian posts were simultaneously targeted by Pakistan on the international border. India last year alone saw 150 ceasefire violations, the highest in 8 years. This time, Pakistan carried out unprovoked firing at 22 posts and 13 villages. Things don't seem to have changed in a year, even though there is a change of guard. While there are those who claim India should engage with Pakistan, what's on at the border? Here's a closer look in this special report. Defense Minister Arun Jaitley on Saturday said ceasefire violations by Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir across the international border have increased in recent months. He was speaking at the commissioning of the INS Kamorta. He said Indian security forces were doing their best to tackle violations from across the border. The comments come at a time when Pakistani troops indulge in heavy firing on 22 border outposts and 13 villages. 2 civilians have been killed and 6 others injured in the incident. All this happened in the Arnia and Arispura sector in Jammu district.
Of late, ceasefire violations by Pakistan have increased. But let everybody be assured that both our army and our BSF, who respectively guard the LOC and the international border, are fully vigilant. They effectively respond to each violation. And I have full faith, and the country must have full faith, that they are effectively protecting both our territory and our national interest.
The recent incident is seen as the heaviest unprovoked and indiscriminate firing and shelling by Pakistan Rangers in violation of the ceasefire agreement of 2003. Prior to this, Pakistan also violated the ceasefire on 17th-18th August in Arnia subsector and Arispura sector along the IB in Jammu, targeting at least 20 Indian posts using small arms, automatics and mortars. People in the areas affected have been living in panic. The villages affected are Sia, Jora Farm, Treva, Nikoval, Abdulian, Korotana Khurd, Vidhipur and Vidhipur Jattan. 3 to 4 villages have been shifted to safer places. Sharad Yadav, the chief of JDU, when asked for his views, said that this was happening since independence.
ये 68 बरस से हो रहा। ये वो लम्हा जिस दिन ये देश बंटवारा हुआ, वो इंसानियत के खिलाफ दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा बुरी घटना है। पाकिस्तान में चैन नहीं है, यानी वहाँ चुनी सरकार है, उसके खिलाफ 60,000 लोग कह रहे हैं तुम इस्तीफा दो। अब नवाज शरीफ चुने हुई लोकतंत्र की सरकार होगी तो वो जरूर दोस्ती चाहेगी। अब वहाँ तो सरकार अस्थिर हो गई, तो वहाँ कैसे हिंदुस्तान के साथ झगड़ा किया जाए और वहाँ के लोगों को इकट्ठा किया जाए, इस प्रयास में वहाँ की फौज रहती है और वहाँ के लोग रहते हैं। तो ये काम वो इसलिए कर रहे हैं, वो कभी रुकते ही नहीं हैं, कोई सरकार आए। और पाकिस्तान के रेडियो और टीवी सुनोगे तो वो कहेंगे भारत से हो रही फायरिंग। अब परमात्मा ही पंच है इसका, वो तो कोई जानता नहीं है।
Powered by NNIS.